Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Samsung Dex. First, connect your compatible Samsung phone to a monitor using a Dex station or adapter. Then, plug in your keyboard and mouse to the Dex accessory. This setup transforms your phone into a desktop-like environment, allowing you to enjoy mobile games on a larger screen with precise controls. Ensure all connections are secure before proceeding to the next step. Once your Dex setup is ready, navigate to your phone's game launcher within the Dex interface and open PUBG Mobile. While some games offer native keyboard and mouse support, PUBG Mobile often benefits from a key mapping application like Octopus. This allows you to customize controls for a PC-like experience. For optimal display, check Samsung Dex Labs settings to enable full-screen resizing for unsupported apps. With a key mapping app, you can assign specific keyboard keys and mouse buttons to in-game actions. For instance, map WASD for character movement, the left mouse button for firing, and the spacebar for jumping. Fine-tune your in-game sensitivity settings for both camera and ADS to achieve precise aiming and effective recoil control. Experiment with different values to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle. To maximize your PUBG Mobile experience on Dex, adjust in-game graphics settings. Select Smooth for graphics quality and Extreme for frame rate to ensure the smoothest gameplay and highest frames per second. Also, disable the auto-adjust graphics option to prevent unexpected changes during intense moments. A consistent visual experience is key to maintaining focus and performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.